What's that? I was gonna say, mop. Mop was the #1 answer. Sing and play music was the #1 answer also. Here he comes. Comes the train. Hey. Judy. See ya. 732. 888-42. 732. Great train. Arkansas, Oklahoma. Arkansas. Motor jack. These cars are bouncing, barking seals. They're like barking seals. The tracks, the main track is barking like a dog, barking like a herd of dogs. Barking seals are like the dog, like a herd of dogs. A herd of dogs, man. Like a herd of dogs, boy. Symbol is G888. G888. The train originates in Kankakee, Illinois. That train originates between Kankakee and Kankakee, Illinois. And it terminates in Centralia, Illinois. That train starts out in Edmonton and Edmonton, Alberta, Canada, heads to Kankakee, Illinois, and it terminates in Centralia, Illinois. In Centralia, Illinois, where it terminates with an SD70M-2 DOU and an SD75I. All on this Sunday, June 25th, 2023, from my main channel on YouTube. Let's check. There's another train coming. Nothing that way. There's nothing that way. He was motor jack at least 50 miles an hour. 50 miles an hour. He was flying too. He was flying. The edges were 80-12 or 88-12. Probably said 80-12. 80-12, 89-42, and 57-32. And he was flying too, at least 50 miles an hour. Okay, here's the next video. Roll it.